Let's take an overview of Indian money market. Indian financial market is classified into money market and capital market. A market that deals with short-term securities with a maturity period of not more than 1 year is known as money market. Money market deals with currency and all other monetary assets. It helps individuals, financial institutions, non-financial institutions, and government to meet up their short-term funds. Uh, the money market provides the liquidity in the financial market by providing short term funds to borrowers and short term securities to the lenders. It enables RBI to maintain the financial and price stability in the economy through the implementation of monetary policy. Some of the features of Indian money market involves coexistence of organized and unorganized sector. All the institutions under organized sector are regulated and supervised by RBI, but unfortunately, there is no control over the functioning and operations of unorganized market. The existence of unorganized sector is one of the biggest bottlenecks in the process of developing a sound and a strong money market in the country. Indian money market deals in government and semi-government securities, and the interest rates vary during peak and the slack season. The interest rates on borrowings are higher during busy season while lower during slack season. The organized sector of money market comprises of RBI, State Bank of India with its associates. Initially, there were 19 commercialized banks, but now we have only 12 with the mergers of banks in 2020. We have seven larger public sector banks and five small public sector banks. It also includes the organized sector, also includes scheduled and non-scheduled commercial banks, foreign exchange banks, which mainly finance international trade, RRBs, non-banking financial institutions like GIC, LIC, and other specialized institutions like NABARD, IFCI, etc. The unorganized sector of money lenders comprises of money lenders, professionals and non-professional money lenders, pawnbrokers, chit fund companies, traders, relatives, friends. The cooperative credit societies lie in between the organized and unorganized sector. Though they are very close to being a part of organized sector, the functioning of the Apex Institute in the cooperative credit society, which is state cooperative banks, are regulated by RBI, which in turn regulates the district cooperative banks and the PAC. The sub-market of organized money market includes call money market, bill market, collateral loan market, acceptance market, market dealing with the certificate of deposits and commercial papers. Call money market deals with extremely short-term borrowings of one-day maturity. The call money markets are located in Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi, and Ahmedabad. Bill market involves dealing in treasury bills and commercial bill of exchange. The different financial instruments traded in money market includes treasury bills of different tenure, commercial paper, certificate of deposits, money market mutual funds, commercial bills, repurchase agreements, cash management bills, promissory notes, and collateralized borrowing and lending obligations. The money market has brought in quite a changes in its directives from time to time, either to increase the scope of money market by introducing more money market instruments or by easing the procedures of investing or borrowing from money market. In order to impart transparency and efficiency in money market, the transactions in the electronic format has been started.